Dear students, welcome to Maths Online class 7, Unit 10, Exercise 10B. Students, Exercise 10B, first 4 questions we have done. Today we will start from question number 5. So, question number 5 is bracket start x plus y bracket over whole square minus x minus y bracket over whole square. Okay, this is question beta. So I already told you this is according to formula. Formula which one? Formula is a square minus b square is equal to, beta, in this formula two brackets should be, one bracket is a plus b, okay, and second bracket is a minus b. Okay, this is formula. So according to this formula we have to solve x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square. Okay students, this is a condition of x plus y whole square is a condition of a, and minus, here is the middle of minus, and x minus y, this whole is a condition of a square minus b square. Okay, so again see now. Okay, again I am writing x plus y whole square. Okay beta, this is a condition of a square. Now minus, because in formula there is a minus now, and other bracket is x minus y, okay, whole square. This is of b square. This is of a square. Middle of a square there is a minus, so minus here is now b square. Second bracket is place of b square. So how many brackets should be? Two brackets should be, one of positive, one of negative. This whole. So write first x plus y. In first bracket there are x plus y. Now minus sign. This is of minus sign, and x. Okay beta. Now this minus multiply by, before of y there is a minus. Minus into minus plus. So plus y. One bracket is this. Okay, in one bracket there is x plus y I have done here. In middle of this here there is a minus sign, so minus sign I have given here. Now x minus y whole square, this bracket is x. Now this sign multiply by minus sign, multiply by minus sign, minus into minus plus. Okay, I am telling you this sign. This sign of minus multiply by with this, means minus into minus plus, after that this is y I have done here. Okay, this is of one bracket. Now in other bracket, which will be other bracket also from there. So other bracket is, see now, x plus y, one bracket is this, and sorry, so this bracket you remove from here. Okay, now which sign? Here negative sign we have given, here down negative sign we have given, now here positive sign, because one bracket is of negative, one bracket is of positive, so it is of x minus y. Okay, till here question is this, x plus y, x minus y. See now, x plus y minus x plus y, x plus y plus x minus y. This is of means answer of this question is. Now it is not completed, because here are same variables, here are the same variables, one is x this, one is x this, and we see that it is of negative x, it is of positive x, so we cross these both. Okay, because this is of positive, this is of negative. But here is y of positive, here is y of positive, so we will add these both. One y this one and one y this one, means one y is this, one y is this. So how many y is here? 2y. 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 Okay, and now see in this bracket, here is x of positive, here is x of positive. So how many x will be here? How many x? X 2x. Okay, beta, here see now na? 2x means x1 this, x1 this. So here is 2x, 2x. This one now, this y of this y of positive and this y of negative. So we cancel these both. So answer is 2y, 2x. So we multiply each other now. 2 with 2, 2 to the 4. 2 multiplied by 2 now, 2 to the 4. Here is the x multiplied by y, then x y. Okay, so this is the answer of whole question. Answer 4xy. 4xy, how? We multiply 2 by 2, 2 to the 4, and x multiplied by y, xy, so xy. This is of question number 5th. Question number 5th, again I am repeating, see now. Question number 5th is x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square. Beta, we have to solve this, and we know that this question is a condition of formula a square minus b square. In this formula, two brackets should be formed. One bracket is of positive, a plus b. One bracket is of negative, a minus b. Okay, so real question is this x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square. Now it is a condition of a, means this is a place of a square, this is a place of y square, these both. Okay, let's suppose uh, with highlighter you can see. Okay, this is a place of, this whole bracket is a place of a square, and this whole bracket is a place of b square. So how many brackets should be? Two brackets, one of x plus y, and here is a sign of negative, so we give here sign of negative. This is of negative and this is of positive sign. Okay, this bracket is of positive sign and this bracket is of negative sign. But how many variables are here? 1 2, 1 y x, 1 y here is written, and in second bracket there is also x y, so I have written x y. This is of one bracket and this is of second bracket. So second bracket. Now we see that common numbers. Common which one? Here is x of positive, here is x of negative, so we can cross. But here is y of positive, here is y of positive, we can't cross. So we will add one y of this, one y of this. One y of this is, one of y of this is. So how many y here are? Here are two y. One is this, one is this. So 2y. This is of 2y. Okay, and now in second bracket see this x of positive, this x of positive, so we will add, we can't cut. So 1 of x this, 1 of x this is 2x. Okay, this y is of this y of positive, this y of negative, so we have crossed here, means cut, because a different sign, so we can cut. So now in the last step there is remaining 2y, 2x remaining now, 2y, 2x. So we multiply 2 by 2, 2 to the 4, down is 4. Okay, 2 to the 4, 4. Now x multiplied by y, then xy both. So this is the answer of question number 5th. Okay, now question number 6. Question number 6 is 9 x square minus 2x minus 3y whole square. Okay, listen students, this question is also in a condition of a square minus b square formula. In this formula, how many brackets should be? I told you 2 brackets. One of positive, one of negative. First, we have to write in a condition of a square minus b square. This one. So 9 square. 9 means perfect cube. It is perfect square number. So square of 9 is 3, and x square is x single. Give bracket and upright square, because this is a condition of 3x whole square. Now we simplify, we 3 multiplied by 2 times 9, 3 3 the 9, and x square yes. So first and second already is written in a condition of b square. Okay, so it is already written. Now it is a place of a square. Down I am writing. Okay, and minus, this is a place of b square. How many brackets of this? 2, because concept is clear. We are that we know that formula of is this 2 brackets should be. So one bracket is of positive, one bracket of negative. So one bracket of positive, write 3x. Okay, plus you write, it is don't worry about plus or minus, you can write. Okay, plus, now in this bracket 2x, so 2x minus 2x minus 3y. 3y. This bracket is of positive. Now other bracket we will write, other bracket of negative we write. Okay, so from question C, 3x, it is of 3. Okay, 3x, now plus, now minus 2x, 2x. Now this minus multiply by this, minus into minus, plus 3y bracket over. Okay beta, so see now, ठीक है, 3x plus 2y minus 3y, one bracket is this, other bracket is 3x minus 2x plus 3y. This is of minus, this is of plus bracket. Okay, so we see if numbers are adding each other, we add. If numbers are subtracting each other, we subtract. So we see here is 3x and here is 2x. These both sign are same. These both problems sign is same. So we will add these both. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 how much? 5. 5, and x should be same because variable is same. Okay, give bracket. Here is a minus 3y, so write minus 3y. And other, see now beta, here is of 3x positive, here is 3x of negative. These both problems. 3x of positive, 3x of negative. So we cut 3 from 2. If we cut 3 from 2, 1 is remaining. So 1 we don't write, just write variable x plus, now 3y is remaining, 3y. Okay, answer of is this. This question is answer of this. Okay, 5x minus 3y, one bracket, other bracket is x plus 3y. So I hope beta you have understood this one problem also. Now let's start problem number 7. Problem number 7 is a plus b minus c whole square. Okay, again I am writing in clear way. Okay, whole square. This is of 1 and minus, again a minus b. Okay, plus c, plus c. Okay, 1 minute beta, I erase this, and I write complete. Plus C bracket over whole square. Okay. Now see again, if your concept is clear, again this is a condition of a square minus b square. This question is a condition of a square minus b square. So in this question, how many brackets should be? Two brackets. Uh, Two brackets. One is positive, one is negative, and two brackets. How? Beta see now. In this bracket, a b c. In this bracket also a b c c. So one bracket we write these all a plus b plus b minus c. This is of one bracket. Now this is of minus, so we give here minus. If we write minus bracket, then write here minus a. Okay, and minus into minus plus, so give here plus b minus into plus minus c. It is of one bracket. A plus b in this bracket minus c. This bracket whole I have done here. See now, see this is bracket. A plus b minus c. A plus b minus c I have done. Now in the means middle of a question there is a minus, so minus I have done. Here is a. First a I have done here. This a. Okay, now this sign minus into minus plus and b downright b. Okay, minus here is this minus and this plus. Plus into minus minus this one beta, this one I am telling you, this one minus into plus minus. Okay, c is bracket c, right? This is of one bracket. Now another bracket. Now another bracket. A plus b minus c. Okay, a plus b minus c. Now here is minus. We have done minus bracket, so now we do plus bracket. Plus bracket and plus same, no any changing. We will not multiply sign. As like as we are multiplying sign minus, now plus sign we don't multiply. Same answer should be. So a minus b, okay, plus c. This is our bracket. See now. First bracket is a plus b minus c minus a plus b minus c. Second bracket is a plus b minus c plus a minus b plus c. Now we see if numbers are subtracting each other, we will subtract. If numbers are adding each other, we will add these means variables. Here is a of positive, here is a of negative, so we cross a positive, a negative. It is crossed. So here is b positive, here is b positive. So we will add these both. How many? One b is this, one b is this, means 2b, 2b, and this c of negative, this c of negative. We can't cut because sign is same, so we will add these both. 2c in bracket, right? 2b, 2c. Now first bracket has been cleared. Now second bracket, and second bracket a of plus, a of plus, means we will add these both add. So 2a, this a and this a, I am telling you, underline this a. B is of positive, b is of negative, cross it. Okay, c of positive, c of negative, also cross c. So answer is 2b minus 2c, and second bracket is 2a. So beta, we will multiply these each other. This 2a multiplying with whole bracket, this 2b minus 2c, so we multiply. If we multiply 2 by 2, then answer is 4. Okay, a, here is b, here is a and here is b, so we multiply a, b. This is okay. And in second line there is a second of 2c, so we multiply first, minus sign give, 2 by 2 4ac, 4ac. Okay, in this question we see common number. Common number. Now in this question we see common. Which one common is? Common is 4 also common in both, a also common in both. So we take out 4 outside, a also outside, give bracket. Now in bracket there is remaining just b minus c. Because a is outside, 4 is outside, in bracket just remaining 4 minus b. This is the answer of question number 7. I hope beta you understood these all questions clearly, because these are not difficult, these are very easy questions. So I hope that you have understood these all questions very clearly. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself and your parents.